So, River Rock costs like $100 and some. That's a lot. River Rock. When you have a sandbar. Fairly simple. Bucket. Waste paper basket that works like a screen surprisingly well. Small shovel. Energy. And this amazing little canoe launch site. Normally, all of this would be underwater. Somewhere way down there, my daughter is doing something that most kids don't get the chance to do. Be in nature. Now, I purposely only brought one shovel so that she could do what I did as a kid. Just walk around the woods, find cool things. Found a box skeleton. A lot of seashells. Well, clams, but I mean, how? Look at that and tell me you couldn't find something to do.
It's cracked.